Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick crypto guide. Today, we're diving into how to send ETH to Zksync in 2025. If you're looking to leverage the speed and low fees of Zksync, a popular Layer 2 solution for Ethereum, you're in the right place. By 2025, blockchain tech has evolved, making transfers even smoother, but the basics remain straightforward. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need a few essentials. An Ethereum wallet like MetaMask or something more advanced that's popular by 2025, some ETH in your wallet, and a stable internet connection. Make sure your wallet is updated to the latest version to handle Zksync integrations seamlessly. Step 1. Open your Ethereum wallet and head to the Zksync bridge interface. By 2025, this might be directly integrated into your wallet or accessible via a simple web app. Look for the Bridge to Zksync option. It's usually prominent and user-friendly. Step 2. Connect your wallet to the Zksync network. You'll see a prompt to approve the connection. This is secure, but always double-check you're on the official site to avoid scams. Step 3. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send. Remember, Zksync uses Layer 2 for faster transactions, so fees should be minimal compared to the main Ethereum network. Review the details carefully before proceeding. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Hit that Send or Bridge button, and your wallet will prompt you to sign it. Once signed, sit back. The transfer might take a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Finally, once it's done, check your Zksync balance to verify the ETH has arrived. Pro tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts to keep things extra secure in this fast-evolving crypto world. There you have it. Sending ETH to Zksync in 2025 is a breeze and can save you time and money. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto space. See you next time.